How there, ladies and gentlemen. This is Olusegun Yekami of Nusa Capital. And I should say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're on the planet. Hope you're having a good day. And we're going to be talking about Bitcoin once more. Ladies and gentlemen, let me first of all remove the moving averages. We'll come back to those in a minute. But first, let's look at the main reason for this particular video. And I'd like to cast your minds back to 2018. I think, yeah, you would see that. And what do I mean? Ladies and gentlemen, we had a situation way back in 2018. I think we have to go all the way back to about November. Okay, we got November 2017 actually when it started, where a particular price point, which was the $5,873 of Bitcoin, was tested quite a few times before actually breaking the trend. What do I mean? So let's have a look. So if you look at it here, we tested that price point here. Then we tested it here, as you can see. Then we tested it here. In fact, twice the two price points in that particular area, so excuse me, were tested there. And then finally, one more, sorry, there's one more here. That's the fourth time. Now the fifth time it tested it and it actually broke through. So it's tested it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then the fifth time it broke through. Now when you have this kind of situation, it does become very concerning, because we are looking at something quite similar here in 2021. So what do we have? We have the test point here is 2,800. Yes, 2,800. Sorry, $28,732 US. I beg your pardon. And that was tested here. That's the first time. Okay. This one here came almost down. I mean, in fact, you can even say it tested the 29,891. I don't know what's wrong with me today. 29,881. And it got tested here. And then we have another test here. And the next one, this is the fourth one here. Now, we've had 4. The fifth one is very, very possible, because the price might be going up, but you see that the price has not broken a certain level. That's the 41,322. Now, all these levels might be different depending on where you trade. So if you trade on, I'm trading here on Coinbase. If you trade on Binance or Bitfinex or Kraken or Qcoin, you're going to have some slight variations. But overall, the price action movement, its movement will at least tell you that you're going to get something quite similar, even though the numbers are different. You see that it's the same price movement across all the exchanges, just that the price might be slightly different depending on what you are trading on, which exchange you're trading on. And as I said here, it's 29,891 US dollars that was tested. Now, going back up, as it come back, is up, it's gone down here, it's gone back up, gone down here, it's gone back up. Now it's here, but you can see that the other day it hit the 41,000, almost 41,000 here, and it's coming right back. There is no reason why Bitcoin couldn't do something like this, come all the way down, test it, and actually get through. We must never say it can't happen. It could, and if that happens the fifth time and it comes down, it breaks through, then I think the next stop for us would be possibly 25,000, between 20 to 25,000. Now, I'm not going to be complaining if Bitcoin comes down to 20,000, because I'm going to be loading up. I promise you on that one, which I've done in this quiet period. I did load up on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Perhaps to tell you the significance, let's have a quick look at the daily chart. Okay, so let's remove some of these. These are from the weekly. Let's just get rid of these. So we can see what we're trying to do. Is bring the size down. Okay, so we've seen that. Now we're going to bring on, let's do that, let's remove that as well. Right, let's bring on our moving averages. Excuse me. Now if you look at our moving averages here on the daily chart, you can see that for 7 consecutive days the price of Bitcoin has risen. But look at this yellow line. This yellow line here, this one, is the 100-day moving average, simple moving average, of which the price point yesterday actually touched the 100-day moving average, which means Bitcoin, to actually begin to think of some form of bullishness, Bitcoin needs to break this point at about 41,322. If it does that, then we can begin to take a much closer look. But do remember, ladies and gentlemen, that if we switch over to the weekly chart, Bitcoin, as you can see here, has touched the 21 moving average, the 21 weekly exponential moving average. So it's 21 weekly moving average. It has touched it there. However, please bear in mind that you've got to have about 2 candles above this line, the 21 weekly, to begin to say, okay, let's take a quick closer look. If it breaks through the 21 weekly and surpasses the 20 weekly, then now we're getting back to some kind of bullish action. But until that time, I would err on the side of caution. I said it yesterday, I'm not going to say it again today. People should look at the position, see if you can, dollar cost average. This is the time to dollar cost average if you want to increase your position in Bitcoin. But I would suggest everyone, please, please, please be cautious. There's going to be cautious optimism. I would love to see the price of Bitcoin go up like everybody else, but it's also an opportunity. And do not underestimate the fact that the markets can do what the markets want to do. Do not underestimate the fact that you could suddenly find that price come all the way down to something. And if that happens, some will weep, and some will find it as an opportunity. I personally will see it as an opportunity because I get to get Bitcoin at a cheaper price. I think that the current stories going on, the sort of institutions taking positions, the bullish strength of the likes of Michael Saylor, Cathy Wood, and Elon Musk, and other top guys like that should tell you that the institutions are coming in, and the institutions are going to continue to come in. Recent announcement by JP Morgan and other mega banks should tell you that there's enthusiasm for Bitcoin. But I'm not talking to them. I'm speaking to you, who I'm sure most of you are retail traders. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I would say cautious optimism. Keep your eye out there. See what happens. And hopefully we are going to be, in a few months' time, we're going to be smiling. Anyway, as always, and I will continue to say this to you, keep your eyes and ears open, ladies and gentlemen, and you're trading sharp. Have a good one. Bye.